Hello everyone, welcome to WA Workflow. In this video, we'll explain how to transfer your license to a new number, what to do if your number is blocked, how to reset your license from the admin panel. Let's get started. 1. Transferring your license to a new number. If you want to move your license from one WhatsApp number to another, follow these simple steps. First, open the WA Workflow extension. Go to the Profile section and click on Plan Details. Here, you'll see your active license. Click on Remove License to detach it from the current number. Once the license is removed, open the profile of your new WhatsApp number and enter the same license key. That's it! Your license is now successfully transferred to the new number. 2. Adding a new number if your old number is blocked. If your current WhatsApp number is blocked, don't worry. You can still use your license. First, install the WA Workflow extension on your new device or new WhatsApp number. Now, open the extension and go to Profile. Click on Manage License and enter your existing license key. Click Search. Your old blocked number will appear on the screen. Click Remove to delete the blocked number. Once it's removed, insert the license key into your new number's profile. Your license will now work on the new number. 3. Resetting your license key from the admin panel. Sometimes you may need to reset your license completely. Before you do this, make sure you have access to the registered email address and you can log into the admin panel using that email. First, open the admin panel login page and sign in with your registered email. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. From there, open the license key dashboard. You'll see a list of all license keys linked to your account. Select the license key you want to reset. Click on the Reset option and confirm the action. After resetting, all connected devices will be disconnected. Now you can reinsert the license key on any device you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.